Ready to rock?
Yeah, bro, come on. Huh?
Oh, boy. I hate when you do that, man.
Boom. Got him. It's the only way I can get you, bro. Gotta keep you on your toes.
Is it still on?
Yep.
Alright. Keep me on my toes.
Big body Hemi right here. 2019 Dodge Charger. Just got this done. 20% on the front, 5 on the back. Looking pretty spectacular. It is mayhem today. We have beers and stuff in their cars, and we gotta clean it out, bro. It's a mobile tin going down right now. Fucking mayhem, tell him. Got the WRX right here. Pretty badass.
Call him again.
We got a beautiful 2020 Mercedes here. AMG, top of the line. Leather seats and all. Look at this. We tape up every single door to ensure that your guys' car is completely safe. Nothing gets past us.
Did you see this? What's up, bro?
Oh wait, I think it's just on a loop. That's good. That's funny. Alright, Tom, what did you just do?
Put on my seatbelt for safety. We just installed some security film in an attorney's office so nobody could break in there and steal their goodies. 8mm from Solar Guard. Only the best we use. And now we're on to another job. Probably go apply some True 5 on the window that they broke at a gas station. So, see you later.
Yeah, I didn't really want to record inside because it's a law office. So
they don't care.
No?
I don't think they care.
No?
It's just the room in there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
I feel like they would have been like, that's illegal. Get out.
Like, I'm illegal. See you later, alligator.
So, what is all this?
Dickie's Barbecue in Riverbank, California. We got some pulled pork, aka carnitas. We got some chicken breast, and we got some briskets, mashed potato, and some home-style cooked beans, Pilgrim.
Pretty damn good. Munching over here. What the hell we at?
We are in Patterson, California. About to go install some film on the house. They said they need some film for privacy.
Destination is on the right.
So we're gonna install some TrueView 5, which will take us a couple hours. Then we go back to the shop.
Yes, sir.
That's where we're at.
So we just got done with the first job. Tell them, Tom. Now what are we doing?
Going to measure a second job. It's the family of the people we did the first job for, and you know, hopefully we get it. I'm sure we got it already. They said we got it. We just got to measure.
Yes, sir. We are some road boys today. Just landed the freaking job, one right after the other. This man is insane, dude.
Landed the second job right now here in Patterson. And thanks to Miles too for his help and his support too.
Yes, sir. We're in this big old John Deere tractor. I mean, I'm talking about the wheels are like at least 6 foot tall. This thing is probably like 15 feet in the air. I don't know, man. This thing is crazy. Look at this. This whole warehouse is ginormous. I mean, it keeps going up. It doesn't stop. We got something. So, there you go.
Roll it up, flip it around. Okay.
Hold on here. You've been bamboozled.
Been bamboozled.
Quick.
Need a new blade?
Watch how fast he does this. This shit is crazy.
Say it again.
Watch how fast he do this.
Change the blade?
Yep. I don't know how the hell you do that. I'm sitting there for freaking 2 minutes trying to get that thing in without cutting myself.
Now we leave a little gap where the rubber's gonna cover.
What the rubber's gonna cover. Damn. is it. We're cutting up this big old back window.
This would actually save us a lot of time.
Stay back, buddy. Stay back, buddy.
You're gonna try it in one piece. If that doesn't work, we're going to two.
This guy is gonna do it in one piece. How many inches did you say this window was?
60 by 80.
60 by 80. Freaking ridiculous. Imagine having a TV this big. Whoa. Right? Trying the impossible. Making the impossible possible.
Set it where you want it. We can do it. Recording my two-piece splice on the tractor.
It is damn near finished. Hell of a good job. When we talk about difficulty levels on cars, it's a whole different ballgame when we're talking about tractors. Ain't no rookie gonna come out here trying to tint this fucking thing. Hell no. No. This is years and years of experience right here.
Can you see the seam? Can you see the splice?
Hell no. What splice?
I don't know.
Barely.
I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you see it. I can't say it's 100% because it's so round, but it's at least 98.
That's crazy. Just need to hit gun off.
Got that bottom?
Yep.
Nah, we're not gonna worry about that. Should we? A little bit.
Will the fingers or? Oh wait, no, we can't because it's too red.
Just try this a little so the water doesn't.
Okay.
See you later, alligator.